Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great and I hope you all are safe. Yeah guys, in today's video I'm going to make turkey stew, and this my turkey stew, you are going to use it to eat your rice, your yam or anything else. So guys, if you want to know how I made this my turkey stew, stay tuned. Yeah guys, let's get it started. Over here, I have already washed my turkey and clean it very well. I will start by steaming it, but I will steam it inside my oven. Yeah, here I have my onions, red bell pepper, rosemary, fresh rosemary. I will be using fresh one. Yeah, and also one scotch bonnet. I will now go ahead and start blending them. Yeah, I added my red bell pepper, onions, and the rosemary, fresh rosemary. And also, I added a little amount of water for easy blending, because if I did not add water, my blender will not blend the red bell pepper very well. That is why I added water inside it. Then I add the remaining onions and rosemary. I also added 1 teaspoon of salt. I added the salt in order for the paste to have taste, because I will use it to marinate the turkey. Now I have finished blending. I will now pour the paste inside the meat. Then I will go ahead and add my condiments. Here I have my fish and meat seasoning. Here is my nutmeg. I will add the nutmeg. And here I have my garlic. I will now add the garlic. And also I will go ahead and add my curry. So here I have my vegetable seasoning. I will go ahead and add it also. Yeah, I will start to marinate it. Okay, yeah guys, please don't mind that my hand glove, I don't have kitchen hand glove, so I use my freezing bag as my hand glove. So that is my DIY hand glove. Don't mind it. Yeah, when I finish marinating it very well, I'm just cleaning the edges with my kitchen paper because of splashes. When I'm done with the cleaning, I will now use my plastic cover to wrap it very well. I will wrap it so that the air will not penetrate inside it. Then I will set it inside my fridge. I will leave it for an hour before I will bring it out and start the cooking. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm wrapping it and I'm trying to wrap it very well so that the air will not be penetrating. That is what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm done with the wrapping. So I will now set it inside the fridge. Catch you guys after an hour. Bye. Okay, now I'm back after an hour and here is the turkey. I had brought it out from the fridge. I removed the plastic cover. Now it's time to set it inside the oven. But before that, I will cover it with aluminium paper. After covering it very well with aluminium paper, I will now set it inside the oven to start the steaming. Okay, now time to put it inside the oven. I will leave it to be steamed. Okay, now as the turkey is steaming inside the oven, I will go ahead to make my tomato stew, and over there I have my scotch bonnet, bell pepper, onions, and ginger. I also have 2 bottles of tomato puree. Then I will go ahead and blend my scotch bonnet and bell pepper. After blending it, I will add the bottle of tomato puree and mix them together. When I'm done with the blending process, I will go ahead and set a pot on my cooker and I will pour in my tomato puree. After pouring in tomato, there are still some remains in the bottle. I will now use some water to rinse in the bottle. After rinsing in the bottle, I will still pour it inside the pot also. Then I will add my onion. After adding the onion, I will also go ahead and add rosemary, fresh rosemary, because I'm using fresh rosemary to make this too. Then after adding the rosemary, I will give it a quick stir, just little stir, and then I will cover the pot and allow it to get dehydrated. But during this process, I will still keep eyes on it to avoid it getting burned. Yeah, I'm back again and the tomato is well dehydrated. I just open it small. I don't want to open it very well because I don't want to splash it all over my face or all over the kitchen because I hate that tomato splashes. Yeah, I set a pot on my cooker and I added oil. That oil is olive oil, not extra virgin olive oil, because we have extra virgin olive oil and olive oil, but I'm using olive oil. Then after adding the oil, I then add in my onion. I will stir it for about a minute. Then after stirring it for about a minute, as I have fried my onions for a minute, I will now add in my tomatoes into the oil. As I'm adding the tomato, I will be turning it around to avoid it getting burned. Yeah, guys, if you have watched up to this extent and you have not subscribed to my channel, hey, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe, okay? Click that button that says subscribe and then turn on your notification bell so that you will know anytime I upload a new video. God bless you. So keep watching, keep supporting. You are so amazing. And my good subscribers that is always coming back to watch my videos, you guys are so amazing. I appreciate your love and your support. I didn't take it for granted. I love you all. Yeah, let's keep making this too. Yeah, when I finish adding all my tomatoes, I will then allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Yeah, guys, I'm back after 5 minutes and my stew is okay. And also over here, I have brought out the turkey from the oven and you can see my turkey now. I'm just adding the turkey inside the stew. After adding the turkey inside the stew, the amount I will be using, then I will also add in the turkey stock inside the stew. Yeah, you can see I have added the turkey stock inside this too and I will give it a good stir. Well, I'm not going to use all the stock and the turkey in this too. I will leave some that I will use next time to make my jollof rice. Okay, guys, then after adding my turkey and the turkey stock, I will go ahead and test for salt and check if it needed more salt. Then if it needed more salt, I will add extra salt. Yes, I have tested it and it needed more salt. I'm adding extra salt. Then after adding the extra salt, I will go ahead and add my seasoning cube because I have not added the seasoning cubes. Then after adding my seasoning cube, I will stir it and then I will cover the pot and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Okay, guys, see you after 3 minutes. Okay guys, here is the outcome of my delicious stew, my delicious turkey stew. You can use it to eat your rice, your yam, anything else you love to use it to eat. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless you. See you up.